Well, it is time to pull elephant garlic. I started pulling some and I thought, you know, it looks pretty doggone good. And maybe y'all want to see that. So this is elephant garlic I got from Hoss. And as you can see, my watermelons in my earth boxes, you can't even hardly see the earth boxes, but my watermelons in my earth boxes have spilled over and are running headlong into the garlic. This row of garlic, another row of garlic there. So we're pulling them. They're in the wood chips. They've had very little fertilization. Kind of wet, but then even wood chips, not even wood chips get wet, wood chips stay wet. So we're just gonna see what we come up with. Trying not to step on these watermelon vines too bad. I need to lay them out here and let them dry. I don't know what's going on with that one. That kind of clumped and formed about 4 or 5 small ones. I don't know what that's all about, but I'll take it. Some of them pretty doggone big, and I'll give you some perspective in just a second about how big they are. That'll give these watermelons plenty of room to roam. Without encroaching on my doodads here. And I missed one. Alright, this row is pretty much unencumbered. I got a thistle right there. I marked it with an orange flag to come spray. And now that the vines are all up in it, I'm not going to spray it. I missed another garlic. That looks like a big one. Good gosh. Whew, that is a good one. So I'll need to come with my spade, dig that up, dig that thistle up. Nobody wants a thistle in their garden. Nobody wants a thistle anywhere. Thistle is the devil. I've got a video. That's the name of the video. Thistle is the devil. It won't take but just a second. It's coming up pretty good, but just to give you a little perspective, here's my hand. So most of them, or some of them, big as a softball. Now see that ain't much at all. Made a liar out of me as soon as I said it. As big as a baseball. Baseball size, that's baseball to softball. That was baseball to softball size. That's not a very big one. I need to put these drying somewhere, but I got my taters drying right now. I'm just going to leave these out in the sun, and it's supposed to rain next 2 days, so that is not going to be good for them. But I just don't have a place to put them right now. Two more. Okay, so probably, I'd say 40 to 50 of them, and some of them are quite large. You know, I know very little about garlic. I grew it last year for the first time, and it didn't do anything like this. It did about as big as the smaller ones I've got here. And I was watching Lazy Dog Farm the other day, and he called these corns or something that kind of attach themselves to it. I don't know. I've had a few corns look like that on my feet, but that's a whole different, that's another video altogether. Probably 40 or 50 nice elephant garlic. I've planted them here in this row and are in these wood chips where I've got my tubs, my tub garden, container garden, and just left them in the wood chips and fertilized them a little bit. I didn't fertilize them much. They probably could have been a lot bigger because I didn't fertilize them as I should have. But anyway, that'll give, I got to come get that thistle, and then that'll give these watermelons a place to go. These are youngins in these grow bags, and they'll take off and fill in this area here. All right, that's it for the garlic. It looks pretty doggone good. Got corn on their toes. Got bunions and corns, but it looks pretty good. All right, we're gone.